Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and I will be doing my infomercial on methamphetamine, also known as meth. So, what is methamphetamine? Methamphetamine is a powerful, highly addictive synthetic stimulant that affects your central nervous system. A stimulant is a substance that raises levels of physiological or nervous activity in the body. Methamphetamine is man-made inside a lab, unlike cocaine, which comes from a plant. And methamphetamine can be smoked, snorted, or swallowed in a pill form, and also injected by dissolving the powder in water or alcohol. Some other common names for methamphetamine include crystal, ice, meth, or speed. This is a list of ingredients that are used to make methamphetamine, and they can vary, but you can find some of these ingredients in nail polish remover, paint thinner, battery acid, drain cleaner, lantern fuel, and antifreeze. So methamphetamine affects your central nervous system, which is composed of the brain and spinal cord. It can increase neuronal death, and neurons are cells that generate and transmit information throughout the body. So when your neurons die, they cannot be recovered. And neuronal death can occur in the hippocampus, which will affect your ability to remember and learn new information. It can also affect your parietal cortex, which will affect your ability to process sensory information regarding the location of your body, as well as interpret visual information. It can also affect your frontal and prefrontal cortex. So if it affects your frontal cortex, it affects your cognitive skills such as emotional expression, problem solving, memory, language, and judgment. The frontal cortex is basically the control panel of your personality and your ability to communicate. The prefrontal cortex, it affects your ability to make decisions, plan for the long term, or think about abstract concepts. It can also affect the cerebellum, which will affect your sensory motor coordination, which is responsible for your posture and smooth voluntary body movements. So some short-term effects of methamphetamine include an increased heart rate, blood pressure, and body temperature. Your pupils will dilate, and you could have bizarre or erratic and sometimes violent behavior. You could experience hallucinations and irritability. You could also experience convulsions, seizures, and death from high dosages. Some long-term effects include permanent damage to blood vessels of the heart and the brain, damage to your liver, your kidneys, and your lung. It also destroys the tissue in your nose when it is snorted, and you will also experience respiratory problems such as breathing if it is smoked. And if it is injected, you could get infectious diseases such as HIV or STDs. You could also experience severe tooth decay and depression. So according to the 2017 National Survey on Drug Use and Health, approximately 1.6 million people reported using methamphetamine in the past year, and 774,000 people reported using it in the past month. And here I have included several helpline phone numbers for those who want to quit methamphetamine and get better. And these are my references. Thank you.